Hello, I have started building a 450 sport helicopter and I'm using the 9 batch Leaderscopy frame kit and eBay sport head and tail, but as I have seen some observations, the rear elevator linkage, although I have modded the frame so the elevator servo moves about 3 millimeters to the back. The elevator linkage is not straight but is at an angle. This is because the support swash plate is larger. My swash plate leveler does not make the job because the swash plate, as it is larger, does not reach here and here. Never mind. Anyway, I hope I finish building the next few days and I hope it flies great. Thanks for watching.